When a slim guy handles a chubby or plus size lady in this position, believe me, that woman will be wanting more. A lot of men don't know that women prefer slim guys than fatty guys. And here are two reasons why they prefer it. Especially plus size women prefer slim guys than fat men. Number one is they are very good in romance. Yes, they are very romantic in nature. They can make that woman who doesn't produce water to start to produce water. Women love it when a slim guy handles them because slim guys knows how to touch a woman, make her water to pour out. Why fat men find it difficult? Because of their fatness, they are not that smart like that. Whereas every slim guy is very smart. They knows how to romance a woman, make that woman to bring out her water so fast. They knows where to touch a woman. Yes, because they are smart. They have that smart body. That is why every fat woman prefers them. Because fat women, what they require is a man that will make their water to be pouring out. Because every fat woman, her water pours out. So if you are that man that want to handle her, she prefer you to handle her very well. And that is why they always go for a slim guys. Yes. Number two, every slim guys knows how to do every position, every style. They knows how to handle. If you call them in doggy, they are there. You call them in happy baby, they are there. You call them in looting, they are there. Spooling, they are there. Wheelbarrow style, which style that you call them, they are there. Yes, when they want to handle you especially, or when they want to handle a woman, especially in a doggy style, they can be able to handle that woman because every fat woman, her backyard is big. So if you are fat like her, coming to knack her doggy, you cannot get it. Yes, your cassava cannot penetrate inside the pekus very, very well. Yes. Whereas as a slim guy, that slim guy can be able to enter because he is slim and he can be able to come closer to that woman and perform that miracle. You know what I mean? So women love it so much when a slim guy handles them because we women, we believe that every slim guy can handle a woman in a manner that she will be like, carry me, go where I know. You will see her bringing out that her melody, turning her eyes, her tone will change because you as a man, that slim guy, I'm talking to you, you can be able to handle her. Yes, every part of her is fat, is plus size. So she requires someone that can be able to penetrate inside that Jerusalem ground. Yes, and those that can do it and do it perfectly well are slim guys. Because women believe that every slim guy carry cassava that is long and can be able to enter inside their acres very, very well. See you guys again in my next video. Remember, my goal, my aim is to make sure that you have a joyful home and a joyful marriage. Therefore, help me share and subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.